এটা ক্লোজ।
ছবিটা কোথায় আছে?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Okay,
Can I
ready,
start?
sir?
Can I start? Ready.
Okay, sir. Just a minute. Okay, sir. Most welcome here. You are live now. Please continue. All the best.
Okay. Before beginning, let me introduce myself. I'm very happy to share my views through your channel. I'm Krishnendu Dey, assistant teacher of Kanchannagar D.N. Das High School. It is located at Purbo Bardhaman in West Bengal, India. And before beginning, I convey my best regards and pranam to the coordinator and the chairperson of this group and the related dignitaries associated with the groups. I convey and my respect to all. And today I discuss the importance of math in our daily life and its benefit for kids. We all know mathematics in our daily life. Mathematics is an important subject. Now I see in our teaching days, now mathematics, the subject that students love to hate. Math is not only the most essential subject in school, but it is also one of the most important subject to learn about in life. Adults are often unable to do fundamental maths problem. Thankfully, we have our phones to help. Now we have our smartphone that will help our fundamental maths problem in our daily life. The best solution, though, is to help children understand maths while they are young. Maths helps kids understand pocket money. In our childhood days, we get a token money for solving a problem or for doing a work. I can remember these things. Participate in family shopping. When my father or mother send me to a local shop to purchase a thing, and they give money and say us that before back from shopping, you please keep your mind that proper money you get back from the shopkeeper. Please think about the matter. And holiday budgeting, save up for toys. We already collected money to purchase a book, purchase a toy in our student life. Later in life it will help. Later when I am adult, now maths help me to contract bills and taxes, and also contract anything. Maths help us to understand the world around us by helping us figure out patterns. It assists us in building reasoning and problem solving skill, and it even helps us make prediction about what will happen in the future. In your child facing issues in learning mathematics, does maths as a subject not appeal to them? How maths are essential in our daily lives? Maths is a subject that gives us knowledge about space, numbers, measurements. The Greek meaning of mathematics, ancient Greek meaning of mathematics, that is mathema, and that means which is learned. It has several branches in science, all of which requires algebra and geometrical forms. Maths plays a significant role in basically every aspect in life, even in daily matters like cooking, driving, time tracking, and jobs like engineering, banking, finance, softwares, accounting. Every function needs a sound mathematical background and logical analysis with scientific requirements and mathematical strategies. It is a language to define scientific achievements and work. Maths allow children, and basically I do my whole program for only children, that is primary level students, and the maths allow them expand their analytical analysis, that is logical reasoning will develop to understand maths, understand more easily how things operate, develop their capability to think, see importance of understanding and balance in all things, grow faster and surfer with numbers, connect with other aspects of life, rely on numbers, expand their awareness of the world, helping kids understand the value of math. One way to help kids understand the importance of math is to get them ponder of the following questions. So let them ask the following questions: how math can help their in life in their future. Can games, if you ask them, can games be used without numbers? Numbers. Can apps or software be programmed without maths? Can athletes train, erase, or time themselves without maths? How does a doctor know amount the medicines for patients? Can birthday be remembered without numbers? We can ask them only to develop their knowledge, their love to mathematics, and they think that mathematics is an important subject in their daily life. The maths, if I do connect with our society, maths is not subject to confined to our textbooks or computer games. It has a genuine implications in the world we live in. The maths, all disciplines of study can use mathematics as a part of their research. Mathematics allow scientists to quantify concepts, formulate theories, make observations, present conclusion, and help solve problems affecting all people. Teachers like me give immediate support and special attention to each learner. And today's topic I will discuss. Now I am presenting a small attempt on how to make arithmetic more interesting at elementary level through miniature models. Now let's start my models with some models. And before going, I introduce my small models with some now in our math we know our symbolic presentation, that is child knows the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They all know their symbolic presentation of numbers, symbolic presentation. Now let's introduce their object presentation. How do I most welcome to our students by only the symbolic presentation instead of symbolic presentation, and their object presentation is very important. And now one by one I just introduce. This is they all know how to write 1, 2, 3 in their textbook. Now I present that is this is 1, This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they can present the object from their symbolic value to object value, that is real value. So if I take that these are all positive numbers, because a blue button presenting the positive numbers. So this is positive, 1 positive, 2 positive, 3 positive, 4 positive, 5 positive, 6 positive, 7 positive, 8 positive, 9 positive, 10 positive. So this can be written as plus 10. So children knows that this number is plus 10. So now next I present what is negative number. Now by white button I am now presenting it, it is negative number. It is negative number. So how do I present them? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is minus 8. So these are all symbol minus 8. These are all minus 8. So I present the values of minus 8, and here is plus 10. I am now presenting. Then if we add two positive numbers, then how can I add these positive numbers? Now here blue button presents positive numbers, then add them. There are already 10 blue buttons, so we can add another 4, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, that is plus 4. So we can add them. So if we add, so we get, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So if we add, we get total 14. So we definitely learn how to add two positive numbers. Then I present the negative numbers. So we can also add two negative numbers. Here I see that these are negative numbers, that is white buttons present negative numbers. We already take 8 white buttons, and this white color presents negative symbol. So these are all real numbers but negative numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I get 8 negative buttons, that is white buttons. So negative number, that is present minus 8. Then I press another 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are also negative number, that is minus 4. So we can also add. These buttons, that is 8 and minus 4. So we get 12 buttons, but in a symbolic presentation these are all negative numbers. If we say our students that these are male and these are females, we can rightly say them. So 10 males we add with 4 males, so you get 14 males. And also these are females, white buttons. Now you can take that these are females. So 8 females and 4 females, so you get 12 females. So they are present negative symbol. These are females number and these are males number. And basically if we present in this way, students come and they are calm and quiet and sit what I'm telling them, what I'm asking them. So now we can add also to that this 14 and also minus 12 we can also add. How do we add? How do we add? No, now if we add, so what will be the result if we add them? That is 14 males with 12 females. Now let's introduce them by this way, that is I am doing one blue button and one white button, one blue, one white, one blue and also one white, one blue, one white and one blue, one white, 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 so one blue, one white, one blue, one white. Now we keep the rest two blue buttons. So if we add 14 with minus 12, 14 with minus 12, then you get plus 2. That is the rest two blue buttons. So you get plus 2. So if we add 14 with minus 12, you get plus 2. And basically if we add negative numbers, that is if I take minus 8, how do I take? That is minus number we present, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is minus 8. All you get. And now I take plus 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is plus 4. Plus 4. So if we add them, if we add minus 8 with plus 4, then how do we calculate? How do we calculate? Then the same way, positive. This is white button, blue button, white, blue, white, blue, white, blue. So rest is 4 white buttons. This is 4 white buttons, means this is minus 4, and blue button presenting minus value. So you get minus 4. So if we learn, if we think by this way, generally they will love math and they will learn very easy way. Next, the very difficult thing for them to introduce even number and odd number. Even number and odd number, it is very difficult for them to learn. I already during my teaching days, I feel myself that they do not understand what is odd numbers or what is even number. They cannot understand. Now I am presenting what is odd number and what is even number. Now if we present in this way, we take value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we take 8 buttons, or if we take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons, if we take, then how do I understand them? What is even number and what is odd number? How do we understand? That is how do we understand? Let them think that if we take two at a single time, 2, 2, 2, 2. So you get nothing. Now if we take this 2, 2, that's 1, rest is 1. So if we cannot make them pair, if we here we make them pair, so it is even number, but here we cannot make them pair and this is odd number. So by this way we can present that if we do not make pair, so these are all odd numbers. If we make them pair, then we can easily show them that is it is even number. That is even number. So 8 is even number and 5 is odd number. 8 is even, 5 is odd. So basically they can understand easily and a joyful learning in a so what is even number or what is number, and very quickly they can even see very quickly what is even number and what is odd number. Now I present what is prime number. Prime number and composite number. It is also very difficult to understand up to class 4-5 level students. Even I got students from 7 to 8 class. 7 to 8 class, they already don't know what is odd number, what is even number, what is prime number, what is composite number. It is very difficult for them to distinguish between prime numbers and composite numbers. And also mathematics, very tough subject. Some of the students I found basically I can say female girls students are very difficult for them to understand, and that is I realize I found. That is I am sharing to you my views. And now how do I present, how do I understand them, what is composite and what is prime numbers. Let's introduce that is composite and prime numbers. Now I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's 5 numbers. 5 numbers I take 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are 9 buttons, white buttons, and these are 5 blue buttons. So what is prime number and which is composite number? Let them introduce. That is if we take 1, 1, 1, so definitely distinguish into 5. If we take 2, 2, let's cannot pair this 1. Let's them 3, so 3. Here you do not here it is only 2. That is it is a group of 3, but it is 2 numbers, so cannot grouping them. If we 4, take 4, so it is a group of 4, but it is left 1, so cannot anyway we cannot grouping them. It is a problem. But here you see that if we take 2, 2, 2, 2, let's 1 is left, so I cannot grouping into two numbers. But instead of 2, definitely we can grouping 3, that is 3, 3 and 3. We can easy grouping into 3 numbers. So 9 buttons. If we took 9 buttons, then grouping into 3, that is 1, 2, 3 group, 3 group, and it is a factor of 3, and that is 9 numbers. We get 3 grouping. So it is definitely we can say that it is divisible by 3, so it is a composite number, but here we get 5. It never we grouping them, either 2, either 3, or any number. So it is a prime number. So it is a prime number and it is a composite number. So if in place of 9, if we take 15 numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If we take 15 number, then we can grouping them, we can show them. So if we grouping 2, so it is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So we cannot, rest is 1. So we cannot grouping them into 2 numbers. So in place of 2, if we grouping with 3 numbers, let's find, that is 3, 3, 3, that is 3, 3 and 3. So we can easily grouping them. So 15, can you tell that 15 is a composite number, because we can grouping them into a 3 numbers, that is 15 is divisible by 3. Also not only 3, we can grouping them 5. Let's find, that is 5, that is 5, and that is 5. So we can grouping 15 with 5 numbers. So you see, it is a composite number. Next, after developing their knowledge with addition or subtraction, after addition and subtraction, they cannot understand what is division, what is multiplication. They cannot understand the value of multiplication, why it is necessary, why I am very bothered, why I am very confused when I am doing multiplication, why not addition, but why we do multiplication. Let's find then why we take multiplication, why we calculate multiplication in place of addition. If we give 2 chocolates, and every daughters or sisters, if we have 3 daughters in our family, if we give them one girl, one daughter, or one brother or sister, some, if 3 brother and sister, then one brother, I give 2 chocolates. Here I give them 2 chocolate, here I give them 2 chocolate. So this is 3 the brothers and sisters, 3 numbers. So each brothers and sisters, I give them, I distribute 2 chocolates, and for each brother and sister. So they get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we addition, they get 5, but total number 3 brothers and sister, each gets 2 chocolates. So 2 chocolates with, if we add multiplication in place of addition, that is 1 child, 2 childs, 3 childs, each gets 2 chocolates. So 2 into 3. So definitely they get 2 into 3. That is 3 child, each gets 2 chocolate. So total chocolates 3. So by this way we can present that repeated addition is not necessary, but in place of repeated addition we can introduce multiplication. Just childs or kids, class 1, class 2, class 3 students, they can easily enjoy that addition. Repeated addition is not necessary, but in place of repeated addition we can we can introduce, we can give, we can take multiplication. Next, I'm showing that repeated subtraction is not necessary. In place of repeated subtraction, we can do that division. How do we calculate? That is now I'm showing that now we take 15 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15. So if I take 15, and if we make them distribute with 3, so 3, and let's 3 and 3. So if we subtract 3 and 3, so if we subtract 3 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we subtract 3 at a single time and repeat it for 5 times, we will get 0. That is 15. 15 minus 3, 12, minus 3, 9, minus 3, 6, minus 3, 3, and let's 3 minus 3, that is you get 0. So if we 15 minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, you get 0. So if 15, if we 15 divises by 3, so you get 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I 3 at a time, you get value 5 times. So repeated subtraction is not necessary when the numbers is large. Then introduce division in place of repeated addition. So now I just end my this type text in buttons. Let's another topic. Let's that is place value, face value, or how can we add two-digit numbers by bangles. Let's me time. And this is my this is a here we get pipe, steel pipe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is placed on a sheet, iron sheet. Now how do I present a number? Now I have bangles, and it is also called abacus. Yes, it is also called abacus. Now I presenting them, that is ones number. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm giving 9 numbers, 9 bangles here, and this presents ones place, and this place ones. Next I'm giving, so this number is, what is this number? This number is 9. So this number is 9. This number is 9. This number is 9. Then I am giving green color, that is 1 and 2. Here it is present tens. It is tens. Tens. This is tens. And this is ones. So the number is presenting here, that is 2 tens and 9 ones. 9 ones and 2 tens. So the number is here 2 tens, that is 2 and 9 ones. So we can present 29s by object placement. This is symbolic presentation. In place of symbolic presentation, we can do object presentation. That is 2 tens. Here we take 2 numbers, and here we take 9 numbers. So we can present 29 by object presentation, that is 2 and 9. If we present another thing, that is if we take another one in this place, here I am taking 1 bangles, then you get 1 to 9. That is 1 is 100 place, 2 is tens place, and 9 is ones place. So you get 1 to 9. So value you get 1 to 9. Now I am giving 2 more ones. That is next 1 and 2 more ones, and this color one number presents, this bangles presents one's number, and I am taking this 1 and 2. So 2 more 2 I got, and here I take 2 green bangles, and here 2 green bangles presenting tens, and here now I am taking tens, that is 2 bangles, 1 and 2. So 2 bangles more, that is 2. So definitely we can add them. That is first we take 1 to 9, and here we take 2 and 2, that is 22. How we can add them? Now if we move these bangles, but we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 10 and rest 1. So 11 bangles. Definitely if we place 10 bangles, so it's if 10 this color bangles replaced by 1 green bangles, so we can replace 10 bangles with 1 green bangles. So they can definitely learn how to replace a number. that is 10 numbers of 1 is replaced by 10 itself by 1 bangles. So in case if we replace 10 bangles with 1, so the rest is 1 here, and we take in place of 10 1 bangles, that is 10 1 bangle. So I got here how many numbers of bangles. Now I definitely show you 1 2 3 4 5. So we value is here 1, here 1, and here is 5. And also if we add, that is 100 plus 1, so we get 151, and it is already replaced, and this is 1. So if we add 1 to 9 and 2 to, we get 151. So definitely we can add two numbers by a object method, that is by bangles. So now we are showing how we subtract the numbers. Now before subtraction, now I am showing that these are 1 numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. So we take 11 bangles. If 11 bangles, if we move 2 bangles from, so if we move 1 and 2, if we move 2, that is 2 move here, what I get, that is 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we get 9. Definitely by symbolic presentation, when they calculate from their or by taking by writing on their paper for subtraction, they can definitely do their object method. Now I am showing how to present, how do I replace, how do I present two number subtraction. That is, if we take 49, so 49, here 9 is placed one value, one place, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and here 4 is 10th place. Now 4 1 2 3 4. So I am presenting 4 9, that is 4 in 10th place and 9 is 1st place. If we subtract, suppose 23, so subtract 23, because you have to move bangles from here, that is 1st place 3, so we move 3 bangles, 1 2 and 3 bangles, and here 2 is 10th place, so we may move 2 bangles, 1 and 2. If we move them, then what we get, that is the rest bangles I have to calculate, 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 6, I got, that is 6 here 6 is ones place, and tens place 1 and 2. So tens place is 2. So if we present subtraction by this way, so definitely a children can easily calculate by this joyful learning, and mathematics will more easier to them by this way. Now a terrific problem to our child, how to calculate place value and face value. Place value and face value, how do they calculate place value and face value? Suppose 3 to 4, I am presenting 3 to 4. 3 to 4, what is the place value and what is the face value? Now I am discussing. 4 is here 4 is ones place, 2 is tens place, and 3 is at 100 place. Okay, na? 1 2 3 4. So 4 is ones place, 2 is 100 place, and 3 1 2 and 3. Just I am replacing 3 3 1 2 3. So here 2, here it is 4, and it is 3. So place value and first face value. What is face value? Face value is presenting the number in a place. That is here you get 3 to 4. Here face value is ones place, that is 4, and tens in place of tens. Am I right? This is 2, and in place of 100, that is 3. But place value, what is the place value? If we place value at 100 place, then you have to move this number. You have to move this number. So what do we get? That is 3300. Here we move all, so nothing branches in this column and also in this column. And so if we calculate 100 place, that is place value is 300. That is 300. If we place value of 2, if we calculate place value of 2, that is 2. Where do we move this number? Here we move this number, and only 2 is tens place, and nothing branches in ones place, nothing in 100 place. So we get 2 0. So place value of 2 place value of 2 is 2 0, that is 20. So we can definitely if we can definitely understand them, the place value and face value. Now if we make a quick look, if we make them understand, if we make them understand them, how do I present a problem? That is, if we present them a problem. Suppose in a birthday party, 7 friends meet, and each friend shook hands with each other. Each friend shook hands with each other exactly once. How many handshakes are there? So definitely 7 friends. So 7 friends make handshakes with rest 6. 7 friends handshakes with the rest 6 friends. So we get 6 number 6 times of handshakes, and 7%. Now the 6%. The rest 6% handshakes with rest 5 friends. So 6 plus 5, because 7% also 6 cannot handshake with the person number 7 because it is already happened. So if we calculate 7%, the number of times they can handshake exactly 7%. If we present 7%, so we definitely the 7 plus 7% with 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So these are total numbers. They can handshake with 7 friends. So in this way, by buttons and by bangles, we can definitely make them understand in an easy way by object method. So I think kids will enjoy the importance of math in their daily life and its benefit. So they very much enjoy mathematics, and they can understand how is mathematics essential in their daily lives. They can easily understand, and if we make them understand by this way, that is object presentation, that was definitely some years ago we definitely did not in the present in this way. And also our education policy 2020 also shows the way to learn them by object presentation, also teaching learning material in their presence. Just I am also come from the method of chalk and talk. From chalk and talk, now I am presenting them demonstration method and teaching learning method material. And now I think, and now I feel that they are enjoying learning and also doing better in their daily day-to-day basis. And how I think that if we make them understand by this teaching learning material, so definitely they will understand maths very easy way, and also they will understand math. Also it is essential for them. Now time due to time constant, I will show another model that is I built in my innovation. That is it is I will present, if we make a chance, if we get a chance another day, then I will present my another model for elementary students and for primary students. Just I take this model, take this in play, instead of just I already demonstrate up to this model, but I take this model also. But due to time constant, I cannot presenting this time. If I get a chance, if you give me a chance to present another day, then we definitely present this model next day. Before leaving this side, I convey my best regards to the coordinator, to the chairpersons and the dignitaries related to our students, my friends and my colleagues, and definitely my family persons who help me a lot to present here, and also help in every steps in my life. I obviously proud for that. Just okay, goodbye, thank you. Just I am leaving the studio. Okay, goodbye dear friends. Especially thanks for them who see my live stream in YouTube, and also in Science Communicators Forum. I all thanks to all my friends and dignitaries. Okay, thank you, goodbye.